Okay guys, for number 24, so this applies the same concept. So you kind of need to differentiate first to help you to integrate this, because we don't know how to integrate this yet. So that's why we have to use the differentiation to help you to integrate. Okay, so first you're gonna need to integrate this guy. Okay, then we manipulate into this. Okay, so now let's differentiate this. So first of all, you kind of need to think, who is your u? Okay, so differentiation of this, u is sine 2x. Yep, so this is your u. Okay, so differentiation of u to the power of 3 is 3 times the u to the power of 2. Oops, I missed that. Where's my to the power of 2? Okay, 3 to the power of 2, and then multiply with the differentiation of u. So let's differentiate the u. U is sine 2x. So again, there's another u within u. So differentiation of u is sine, differentiate sine, you're going to get cosine, and then you multiply with the differentiation of u, 2x, which is 2. Okay, so the differentiation of u is 2 cosine 2x. Okay, so let's apply this. So here we're going to need to take this, the differentiation of u, and we multiply with this. Okay, so if we simplify, we're going to get 6 sine 2x cosine 6 sine squared 2x cosine 2x. Okay, now so then with this we need to find what this is. This is the question, right? So you see this guy and this guy are the same, so we can manipulate from that. Okay, so let's rewrite the sentence. The differentiation of cube of sine 2x will give you this. Okay, we already proved that. So it's the same thing. You need to multiply dx on the left, multiply dx on the right. Okay, so you're getting rid of the dx, and you're gonna get this. Okay, then after that, after you get this, you need to get rid of the d. The reverse of differentiation, or the inverse of differentiation, is integration. So you integrate left and right. Oops, sorry. Yeah. So you're gonna get this one. Okay, so it kind of look alike already, except there's a 6 here. But you know, you learn the rule of integration. You can take out the 6. Okay, and then to get rid of 6, what do you do? Yep, divide 6 on the left and on the right. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so you're gonna get this. So you just need to apply the definite. They want from 0 to pi over 4. So 0 to pi over 4. So the integration of this guy from 0 to pi over 4 is this one. Okay, so I just need to apply 0 to pi over 4. Sub it in. Plus the calculator. Don't forget to change it to radian. There you go. We get 1 over 6. So this one is the easy one. So for part B, where did I write it just now? Oh, here. So for part B, you see here. So this time the question is, I want you to integrate this part. Okay, so this part, it's a little bit more complicated, but still doable. So yeah, so you rewrite the sentence again. The differentiation of cube of sine 2x is equals to 6 sine square 2x cosine 2x. Okay, so the same way we get rid of dx. So you time dx on the left times dx on the right. Okay. Okay, so you're gonna get this one, and then getting rid of differentiation, you integrate. So again, you get the same statement. Okay, so now our goal is to convert this into cube of cosine 2x. So how are we going to do that? This is sine. Okay, So our goal is to getting rid of the sine so that I can change it into cosine. So the only way, I hope you remember, is your identity, which is this one, square of sine x plus square of cosine x, you get 1. So square of sine x is 1 minus cosine square x. Okay, this part. So we can use this identity to change the sine into cosine. Okay, to modify it, manipulate it. Okay, so there you go. So I need to change square of sine is 1 minus square of cosine. Okay, then I just need to, before that I just take out the 6 because I don't want that. And then I expand it inside. There you go. You get cosine 2x and cube of cosine 2x. See, this is what we want. There you go. Or closer already. Then after that we divide by 6 on the left, divide by 6 on the right to get rid of the 6. Okay, so I get this now. Okay, we just need to isolate this dude now. So integration, we can integrate one by one. So I can integrate this and then integrate that. Okay, so I don't want this. So how do I get rid of this? Simple. You minus integration cosine 2x dx on the left, and then you minus integration of cosine 2x dx on the left. Okay, so therefore you're getting rid of this. So you're gonna get this guy now. So this cube of sine 2x over 6 minus this will get you equals to this. Okay, and then I want positive, and the question is positive, so you need to multiply with -1. Multiply with -1 on the left, multiply with -1 on the right. Okay, so therefore you're gonna get negative cube of sine and then positive. Okay, then this is what we want. Great, so I just need to apply the definite integral. The definite integral is 0 to pi over 4. Therefore, make sense? So the integration of cube of cosine 2x from 0 to pi over 4 is this guy. So I apply the definite and add it with integration of this. So the result will be this one. Okay, so this one here is integration, so you kind of need to integrate that. Oh, wait a minute, integration. Okay, here. So integrate it. Integration of cosine is sine, but this is u. This is your u. Cosine 2x cosine u, you're gonna get sine u. Okay, so differentiation of u is, differentiation of u is 2. Okay, 2x, you differentiate, you get 2. So instead of multiply, now we divide because we're integrating it. Okay, then we apply the definite integral from 0 to pi over 4. Okay, and then you just press in your calculator, you get 1/3. That's the answer. Okay, bye.